Yes, sir. We back. FX Bros live trade and analysis on the Australian dollar. And the Australian dollar is dropping. Dropping like McScropping. Remember that? Let's see. Looking at the 15-minute currently. Got the hourly time frame up. Market open right here. This bearish candle did finally get a close below here, so I will wait for nice retest up into the 73.92. I'm a firm believer of that now after these past few weeks of studying. If a major support or resistance, order block, or anything gets tested, then plan for a quick and fast retest right after a retest. Notice you have this low that we looking to test, which is also mapping out with this low over here. And as you can see, we broke below these lows like three, four times, but never closed. And we get this big candle closing below. And now we starting to get retest back up into this area, 73.93, 73.92. So that would be a good selling area if we have continuation, a bearish continuation on the higher time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour. Market is bearish. I mean, this big push up, we already traded below that area. And as soon as we broke that area, you see, you get a retest. This one was a little bit later, but nonetheless, we got what we came to see. Yeah, so that lowest point closed below and started to get a retest up. This low right here closed below right here, had a retest up. You know, let's see how many pips was that from the bottom. Knowing you go get a retest, you got in at 73.92 all the way up to about 73, 74 flat. So 8 pips. Reason being because it was going against the grain, you know, going against the trend. Current trend is going bearish, as we can see. So any bullish type of trade that you get yourself into, just keep in mind it's going to be short-lived. So we scroll back to the daily just to get more confirmation. And this is where you can see that, yeah, we are bearish, but if you look at it from a daily, and I check the weekly soon, but as far as the daily right now, it's looking kind of bullish. You know, yeah, this high, all get broken. And I'm thinking if we swing around, we may test this high. But if we continue down, which I'll look for some nice sweet sales. If I don't catch that retest sale, it'll be some nice sales below these this liquidity. If we could push below it strong, though, not no little tap down and then close back above. That's just a liquidity grab for us to turn around and go back bullish. I'm talking about something that's gonna close straight through these equal lows, grab liquidity on the sell side, and continue pushing price down. So because we got a lot of clean traffic on the daily to push that all the way down. It ain't gonna close all the way. And then you'll see price tap down below and then trade above if we don't close under these lows, which is 73.72. Yeah, I apologize for the late start, man. We was in a I was in a session and I completely got lost track of time mixing these songs. So we tapping in at 9 o'clock. We're gonna see what the market gonna give us if it's gonna turn around. But yeah, as far as what I'm looking at bullish movement. I say a retest up into the hourly. Let's look at the weekly right quick before I do that. Weekly, it's kind of consolidating. Like it's turning around to go bullish. Maybe if we zoom out since March 2020, we've been in a kind of bullish trend. We break this low 69, 69.82. We broke that right here. No, we haven't broken. We did not break 69.82 yet. Came close to it, but didn't break below. So that's an important level right there. I'm gonna mark that. I know I probably forget, but I'm still gonna mark it. 69.82. What's the low of this? 69.91. Very close enough. So we did break below that area, but we didn't close below. So that's an important price zone that would turn things around as far as being strongly bearish on the weekly. We did break structure right here at these lows to become a bearish market, but not on this time frame yet. This is just more of a retest to turn around and push back higher, just as we've seen right here. So if anything, like I said, I would need to see some close below these lows right here for me to have trust and faith that it's gonna turn around and try to test this double bottom situation we have right here. This music we listen to is really telling nigga age. But we still about to get it. So if I go back to these charts, everything is looking bearish. I would say for sure we got targets like at 7370, but for sure these lows it's 72.86 on the weekly. So go back to the daily, you'll see that a little bit better. 73.72. So really it's at 71.69. What they look like on the weekly. That's probably that long week. Yep. So right there. So we have kind of pit move that is. Let's see, 73. Let's go push back up to 7400. So I can say 74, 73. That's 100. 72. That's 230. 230 pips we got to the downside if we break any kind of structure we currently seeing right now on a smaller time frame. We already proved that we wanted to break through these levels right here, this level of support that you can kind of see on the daily. Probably see it better in the smaller time frame, but we proved that we can break through that. Tried to retest but didn't close above, continuation down. So we just had to look on a lower time frame for confirmation, and things like breaking below this low right here. That's one level. And let's see if we zoom out, go over here. That other level will be right up in here. So This could be a target going down bullish to 73. Let's just call it 73.60. And right now we at 73.90-ish. 73.85. So that's still like a little 20 pip move potentially. So I'm gonna mark that up because that's a significant price area. Let's see the low. 73.60. Bam. So that's a target for us down there. Let's see what the hourly looking like. As soon as it broke that, we started getting retests back up. So I'm gonna say 73.90, 91, 92 is a good area to take sales. Have stops above here at 74.04, so it's a little bit past my level of 10 that I would like to take. But nonetheless, that would be your stops, and then take profit would be down here, 74.60. So you're looking at about 30, like a 1 to 2 type situation. 1 to 2.5 to be exact. So right now, the best opportunity is to wait for market to retest up to 73, 90, 91, 92, up in that area. And then look to take sales from there. Other key levels, we do have some equal highs up here. So that's liquidity we could potentially grab. So if we don't retest from this area and push higher, we could be coming up to try to grab these equal high liquidity area to fake everybody out thinking that we're going bullish, and then turn around right here, which is this big sellout point too. So that could be a big area that we could look to sell from too if we don't catch this 73.92. We'll have 74.15, and that ain't nothing but more money. So back to that 73.60, that's 40 plus another 15, so that's 55 pips if we wait a little bit more patient to come up here. So that probably won't happen till Monday morning type shit if it does start to play out like that. And to see signs of it playing out like that, we can go down to a smaller time frame to see if we see any kind of bullish retracement action starting to play out. So what you will want to wait for is wait for this little structure area to break. This 73.89, 73.90. I would set alerts and all that, wait to see if this breaks. And if we fill in this whole gap right here and don't have any signs of turning back around bearish, then that might be your buy to come up and test these equal highs up here at 74.14, 15. And that's a nice little 20 pip buy, and then catch a turnaround going down for 55 pips. So that's how you can stack different trades. So I think I'm gonna try to see if I could let that play out, because I think we kind of at the lowest point for it to sell off. We already did mitigate and test this extreme low right here on April 13th, which was Wednesday, middle of the week. That low it created, we just broke that. Below that, now we're seeing price potentially about to turn back around and come back up and test. So from 73.85 to 73.89, 73.90, I'm looking to potentially get into a buy. So we can zoom in even more to see how fast we're gonna get a breakout. My trigger or my entry still up there, so let me mark this right here, 73.90. I'm probably looking to get in the buy, so I'm gonna mark that green. Put green on that hoe. And we testing these equal highs up here. These sell stops, buy stops. that red because they gonna get stopped out of here. Bloody red. Then we got take profit. All blue hundos. Change that color blue. Bam. So that's the trade plan right there for Australian dollar. We want to see a break above these levels, continue up, making everybody wonder, because this big push up high making people think like, yeah, we should be going bullish, which you're probably right. Going bullish only to just grab more liquidity up here. Way up there, 74.15, 74.14. If you want to wait even for more confirmation, you can wait for this break of 74.04 and catch a quick 10 pips from 74.04 to 74.14, and then turn around and sell from that high. So it's however you want to play it, but that's what I currently see. Let's see what the news looking like for this week coming up. Go to my FX book. Sign in right quick. Add this to the string. Share. Bam. Sweet. What we got? We got something coming up this week. Tomorrow. Today. Yesterday. Wonder why. Let me refresh this up. Show more. Damn, are we having no trade? No news this week? Yesterday. Easter Monday, 17th. So, okay. I can see that for Australia. But what about the rest of the week? Are we completely on shutdown mode? Because I'm not seeing no news. I just see this news coming out, which I don't see anymore. April 18th, so that's tomorrow at 8:30, which is not showing here, not showing there on this week. So the news is kind of tripping. But let me see Forex Factory. See what the book going on. Let's see, go filter, high news, and only Australia and USD. Apply filter. Bank holiday all day. What about tomorrow? What about Tuesday? We got Fed Chair Powell speaking on Thursday on the 21st. And that's it. Damn. Let me have some medium news and let's see. Okay. Got a few news pieces on some medium news, but still, it's gonna be a weak ass week. Unemployment claim. Okay. So y'all not showing that. Y'all showing that on the medium news. I'm about to say. So we do have our typical unemployment claims coming out on Thursday, but other than that, it's gonna be a light ass week for news. So price action should take over on some real shit. Market continuing to sell off. Let's see, it may just go straight down to our target down here right now. Who knows? Gotta wait for this candle to close for damn sure, so we'll be patient. Let's swing over to these Bitcoin charts and see what the fuck going on. I'm looking to buy Bitcoin. I'm seeing all this price jump from these levels, so it's looking like we nigga may have to wait until we break all the way through this order block. So until we get into some bullish momentum, especially with these equal lows down here, I'm gonna expect that we're gonna break into this order block from March 13th. Try to grab up some of the orders that they couldn't push out through this bullish situation, because they tried 3 times. It was once here after this little manipulation, once here, tried it here, then a big one right there, and that's what took out this high and any other weekly high from the past. So I would think we need to come down to that area because they're trying to grab some more orders that they could not fill, which surprises me. I would think they would have got it right up in here, this little last touch, and then the retest right here. So we're gonna see what the bears are looking like to trade backing down into this order block to see if we can catch the bottom of Bitcoin. You did. Right now we at $39,700 for the price. So I got the hourly. Got a few little changes of character, but we are retesting like the market typically does after it breaks a strong little structure area. And what I mean by structure, I'm just like turning points, swing highs, swing lows, lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, all that type shit. So we got 15 minutes. Like I said, it can feel pretty much all this, so I'll be willing to wait for that, especially with the 1 hour. I think Scully joined on here. Let me ask Scully. What's up, my boy?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Ain't nothing, ain't nothing.
You on a
Just trying
Bitcoin?
to. Hey, yeah, just looking at it right now. Just trying to see, thinking it's gonna continue to drop a little bit more, and then try to buy if they take out all this liquidity to grab more pricing.
Okay,
It showed
I
better on the
got you. I
four
got you.
hour.
So you've been on that, huh?
Oh yeah, man. It's like coming down here. I'm thinking it's gonna continue to sell out to come down to this area because they've been buying real heavy right here. Like it bought heavy up here, came down here to fill more, bought heavy up, came down here and bought even more. And that's what pushed above these highs. And now I'm thinking we
Mm,
coming back down to that same area to continue up again. So I'm just trying to see where it's gonna sell off at to come down to this area
right.
type shit. Yes, sir. How everything been though?
Been good, man. It's a really, really good weekend. I had a good time. That the 10K went well.
Did it go good?
Yeah, bro.
That's what's up.
It went good, man.
That's what's up, man.
I had made a new personal best. I got in the top 500.
Damn. How many
Yeah,
people? How many people? Was it? Was it?
like over 8,000.
Damn. Boy, you bust ass, nigga.
Yeah.
No, for real. Boy, top 500 out of 8,000.
Yeah, I mean, they had a few walkers and stuff, and but yeah,
Well, still though, nigga.
I did get it in, bro. Especially like I just
I
wanted to
already know
beat
you
my
did. You was
time.
training for that shit. Did you beat it?
Yeah, yeah, I beat my personal best. Like I did it at like
Nice.
a 7 minute 30 second pace. Like I was going ham,
Damn.
but I could have done better. I honestly could have done better. I started off horribly, though. I started off fast. Like I remember when we did
Yeah.
that Arlington run.
Why? Cause you got all excited because all the people was out there.
Yep.
That'd be the same way, dog. Like everybody want to hit the ground just running,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
you
You
want to
gotta.
save that shit for the last little leg.
Yep. But no, it was cool though. It was fire. That's a really really big 10K like in the world. Like people travel all over to do this run.
Nice.
But no, it was good though, bro.
That's what's up, man. How long did it take you? Being that it was a 10K
Like 47 minutes and something.
for the whole thing.
Yeah.
Damn, boy. You was not. You didn't take no breaks then.
Oh no, I don't stop and walk. I think it just be running. But no, man. Yeah. Other than that, everything good, bro. How about you, bro? How you been?
Been good, man. About to get back into a little workforce type situation to stack up some bread. I got a money goal I'm trying to reach. So I'm about to hop on this utilize your truck for gigs type industry. Whether it's Grubhub, Lug, DoorDash, Amazon, FedEx, it's all kind of shit.
Hmm.
Do that on the side since I got the truck out here. Probably I'm gonna do some junk removal stuff because that'd be big money, 500 to $1,000 depending on the size. Just stacking up to get to my goal of 25K,
Cool.
which should
Cool.
take me about 3 months if I bust my ass along with the studio too.
Yep.
So that I have that,
I'm right there with you, though.
I can start to slave away from the hours I put in to make extra money and save up. And if the as long as the trading performance is there and consistency is there, everything should work out as planned.
No, everything will work out
Yeah,
if you know what I'm saying.
which
No,
I've been doing like amazingly well with that respect for consistency,
nice.
especially with my time of waking up. Like I've been waking up at 6 o'clock just to catch that New York Open.
Remember that? Remember it was hard for you to even get up.
Boy, come on,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
That's why I
No,
said this is
it's
growth.
growth. It's
It
growth,
is
bro.
growth. It is growth like a son bitch.
For real. I mean, I was looking at now that you got those charts up, I was catching sales actually.
Nice. You caught sales
Yep.
after it broke this support.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Nice.
Yep. I mean, it was just
Yeah, I got
easy, especially on the
targets
hour. On the
7360.
hourly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it was a nice little selling pressure, especially after it broke this little support right here, this little lowest low, or if you want to call it that, being in that we really had a lowest low right here.
Yeah.
It always want to retest. After you break a strong support, the market loves to retest, which I have yet to see it do it right now. I'm waiting for a retest, but currently the Bears are in control, and if it's gonna keep dropping, it's gonna keep dropping. And if that's the case, I think a nice little target of 7360 would be sweet for the main target,
Yep. I mean,
long
you can
term.
look at that. You can look at that really good on the 4 hour or really the daily too. That same zone that you called.
Yep, yep. Yeah, that
So
did look real good on it.
yes, and if and on a 4 hour, if it happens to close and break below that, look at that clean traffic to the
Oh my
left.
God, that's why I said I don't even know if it wants to do that. Because if it do, yeah, somebody about to get paid. Somebody about to get paid, and I don't even know if that's what
And
the market really wants to happen. Because
I'm
it's
about to
looking
say,
like I was
but
gonna
if
hop
it
into the
does,
sale, but I'm waiting for a retest.
yeah, it has to retest to really do that big of a drop. But look at that.
Yeah,
That's on the 4 hour. It can easily happen.
yeah, 5 minute
Like
looking sweet.
this week, that can happen.
Oh yeah, shit.
So
In a few hours, it could happen if it want to.
yeah, nah, then that's really ridiculous.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. It could come down here and entice people thinking, yeah, we about to break, and then tip this other motherfucker and shoot the hell up.
Yeah, because that's a strong zone on the
That's a
4 hour.
strong zone in the 4 hours. So if it breaks that and it tries to catch all that clean traffic, then yeah, that manipulation up here that I was talking about last week, that Monday push that was weird, especially on the daily. I think it looked even better.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here, this whole little manipulation over this extreme high that
Hmm.
ties into the weekly. I think back here somewhere. Like, yeah, if it wants to turn around and try to fill all this shit, all this clean traffic, then that's the type of shit it needs. It needs to manipulate people thinking they about to sell. Everybody sell a house right here, and then to turn around and take buys and shoot the fuck up.
Hmm.
But if we break that, yeah, it's free willy, nigga. That bitch about to dive.
Yeah, boy. In that case, yeah, dog. This is gonna be a easy eat session.
No, it's gonna be an easy week. I don't know
I'm
if
finna.
if you chimed in what I was talking about earlier. I checked the news and it's looking like scarce as hell. I don't know if my FX book didn't update the weekly news, but it's like no news all week, like at
Yeah.
all.
Now see these. I mean, I'm sure you talked about that earlier, so I'm just joining. But yeah, weeks like that when you don't have any news. I
Just price
mean,
action.
oh my gosh.
All you got is
Like,
price action and bank manipulation. And if you know how to look out for that shit,
yep,
you go eat.
yep,
Just
and
get
run
up around the
buckets.
times
Like
it's
when there's no.
no for real.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Like none.
That's what I'm saying. Even on Thursday, I think I had to go to Forex Factory to see that they had news on Thursday, but it was medium news.
Yeah, price action, bro.
Nah, price action all day. That's what I said. Get up around the volatile times, wait for breakouts,
And
retests,
bring a
and
and bring make sure you bring a bucket.
man, come on, bro.
Yeah, don't bring a pail.
Don't
Bring a
bring no
bucket.
bag, a bucket,
Yes.
something with a strong handle on it, cause that bitch gonna be full of pips.
And bring a strong wrist.
Yeah, to hold all the pips in that bucket, nigga, cause you gonna damn sure need it. Oh my god.
A strong wrist. Cause you don't want that sucker to snap.
Hell no.
No, but yeah, I could definitely see sales. It's definitely gonna reach that area that you talking about. I just say in between at 73.60 and 73.70. Like it's going to be in that area,
Yeah, yeah. 15
and then
minute.
it's gonna turn around.
It's going crazy.
Or like you said, maybe it won't turn around. Like maybe this week, like
It's
it's
gonna
going
just shoot.
down.
What
Like
the weekly look like? Oh, the weekly look like it could. It
you know what
could
I'm
do
saying?
that. It could. I just don't like those weekly candles at the top. Those bearish, those small weekly candles. After, especially after you seeing these two big green weekly candles on March 16th and March 24th or whatever.
Yeah,
How green and big they are pushing to the upside, and then you get all this manipulation. You get a strong wick turn into a bearish like doji type situation.
yeah. But what if you go to that area, like right where the open of that candle, that big green candle, like go to the open, like it can definitely reach that. Not that, yeah, the open
Oh,
of that. Yes.
yes, and that's not manipulating any type of bullish movement. Like if it
Yep.
breaks this low right here and continues down, then yeah, we probably heading down to a triple bottom touch type situation.
Mm,
But that's next month type shit. That's May.
yeah.
That's way in May. So we'll see. But it's very much so looking like this, like it wants to be bearish.
Hmm.
I mean that big
How
push
you
up
been
for
liking them naked charts, bro?
oh, I love it. Ever since I knew I wanted to do it before I did it. Cause it got to the point to where I
Yeah,
had MACD on and I'm listening to Raja and all these other niggas and they teaching off of naked charts and showing their trades off of naked charts. So I got my stochastics and MACD on. I'm not even looking at it. I'm not even taking trades based off of that. Nor am I adding it for more
yeah, bro. I
confirmation.
just yeah. That's what I same thing I was doing with the RSI. I took it smooth off, bro.
Are you naked?
And yes, and last week was naked and amazing.
Come on, man. Let it all hang out. Just get naked. Let it all hang out. You're gonna feel just like Adam and Eve, like how you really supposed to be. We're not supposed to have indicators and clothes on, nigga.
Yes,
That's putting clothes on
facts.
your charts, man. Just let it be
Yes,
naked, be natural.
yes. Things will be way more clearer than.
Yeah, dog. That was my overall thing. It was uh it was a dependency. Like I had a lot of strategies where I was depending on the MACD to bend a certain way and cross over a certain way. And I was like, by the
Yeah,
time all that happened, the best entry on a smaller time frame was shown, but I'm too busy looking at the hourly on this MACD.
and what's crazy to me though, it shortens, it skews and shortens your chart when you add all that nonsense on there.
Mm.
instead of just having it wide open, and you can actually see like just price movement. Like
Or like when you got it
it's
like this.
no, well, no,
Oh,
yeah, that's just when you zoom up
just saying without indicator.
without an indicator. Yeah, like if
Yeah.
you throw a RSI on the bottom of that, it's gonna squish it, and then you won't be able to.
Ah,
Yeah,
got
it
you, got you,
skews the
got you,
chart.
got
Like
you,
it looks crazy.
got you. You are right about that. And if you try to paint anything top and bottom, then you just making something more worse than it already is, so to speak.
Exactly, because now you using zones on that, but you also using the RSI for overbought and being oversold. When
True
that
that.
really don't make any sense. If price action is bullish, or if it's bearish, you shouldn't be looking for a turnaround on the RSI. You know what I'm
Hell
saying?
no.
So yeah, dog. All right, go naked, man.
No
You
facts.
won't be thrown off.
Nope. Cause it's just all in the math. The indicators are just a mathematical equation, and you have to give it input to get an answer.
Yeah.
So something has to happen before it can even print the moving average lines that it's supposed to print on your chart.
Mm.
As I said, the most important thing is really just looking for volume. Volume is important, and the way the candlesticks form at certain times of the day. That's all I'm gonna say. That's what's most important because you don't know what the banks are doing. You don't know what all the hedge funds are doing and how much money they about to put into the market and where they about to do some manipulative shit. You don't know
Facts.
none of that. You only
Facts.
know afterwards. And when they do shit like that, they show their hand. And that's how you play it off of that. You play, okay, damn, you had enough power to push the market up this higher and it didn't come back down,
Yeah.
and it didn't retest all the way back down to the previous low, then okay, then yeah, we might be going higher a little bit.
Right.
But it's just up to you to know how long you go hold that bias. Because
Yep.
if you
Which is
counter trend
why.
trading,
Yeah.
that's not a good, thing to do. Like right now, I'm looking for bias to counter trend back up to here, but I know that max, if I do get into a buy, the highest I'm expecting it to go is up to these highs. And I gotta take what the market give me. If it go higher, that's just something I'm not aware of. All I know is I know it has the potential to go up to this high, and same
Yes.
for this area.
Or it can just bounce up and hit that area of like 73.80. I mean 73.80. 83. Like in the area at the bottom.
Right,
Like it
right.
can
It
just
can,
touch
it
that.
can,
Yeah.
it can, it can, it
Yeah,
can
I
touch
can
that.
definitely see it doing that
It
before
can.
it, breaks above that. But yeah, if it breaks above that, then I can see. I mean, it's a 5 minute, so like, what you gonna
No, it
get
don't.
out of that? You know what I'm saying? Like,
Nothing.
yeah.
I
So
mean,
yeah,
right now, even waiting to see if the market pushed higher, you already at 73.82, and your highest point to take profit is 73.82 and the 739. That's 8 pips. And that's
yeah,
just if you get everything right, including the spread that your broker gonna give you. So
yeah.
it's
No,
really
that's
6 pips.
so it's not worth it. Like
It's
clean
not worth
traffic,
playing.
you be looking for clean traffic on a 15 and up. That's what I'm telling you. And I'm talking about for
Yeah,
your trades,
and then
entries.
yeah,
Yeah.
and just let clean traffic create itself. Like
Yes.
have enough patience to even let clean traffic create. Like look right here. This was clean traffic. It ain't a lot, but it's clean traffic. But did it get filled? No.
No.
So that could have been a sign. Like damn, we didn't get that was clean traffic. It enticed a whole lot of people to sell, but it didn't get filled. So what you think possibly may happen? It may break this low and then continue for another lower low, just like I broke this low.
Hmm.
So it's just all about just waiting, being patient, and just seeing what the fuck going on.
Saying what's going on
The higher time frames will tell you.
where we are selling.
Yes, we are selling everything. Everything weekly is burnt, is itching for a sale. The daily selling pressure hard. 4 hour it's starting to break structure to continue selling. We don't know. We still got a 4 hour kind of iffy. It look like it's breaking out of consolidation, but
But you
I
can,
gotta wait for this candle to close to really see something.
yes, but looking at that chart and looking to the left, you can easily see strong sales this week rather than buys. Like my bias is closer to the sales than the buys.
I do see that, but I'm more only if this area breaks and closes on the daily time frame, not the 4 hour. I know I'm
Yes.
looking at the 4 hour, but it could close below here on the 4 hour and then close back above, engulfing that candle and then shoot back up. I done seen it happen so many times. Like that's how manipulative the markets are. So I need to see a close below this lowest point right here on the daily time frame.
So
Then
let's look at that. Let's look at that on the daily. That 30. That's
it's a
the
blue
same
line right
zone.
on that blue
All
line I
right.
got right there. I need to see it.
So
I
you
need to see the daily close below here on the
eh,
daily, and then I will want to
you'll
get
put the
this
house
clean
on
trade.
it. You'll put the house
Oh
on it.
yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yep.
Cause you're not gonna close. You're not gonna come down here and then not break back above it. You're not gonna do
Yeah.
that all day. Nah, you're not
Yeah.
gonna do that. That's just because if you not trying to come back down here and sell, then why even break below this low? You know what I'm talking about? Like, why even trade down here? You should be tapping this area and then pushing back up, just kind of like how you did right here. You know, you broke past it, retested, and shot back up. You would want to
Hmm.
tap down to this area and shoot back up. But if you coming down here and then you closing down here, oh yeah, I'm about to call up my realtor and to sell a house. I need all cash because I'm about to put it on this sale position.
Hmm. first, first I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna close out on this trade, and then I'll come back. I get you at your
Yeah,
hotel.
yeah. Nah, for real. But that's how I would play the patient game because the hourly and the 4 hour could come all the way down there and have niggas thinking like, oh man, sell everything, sell everything. But
Yeah.
if the hourly continues down bullish, what is that? That ain't number clean traffic that it could potentially turn around and fill, which it
That could,
didn't do right here. You know, this it kind of did this look clean traffic, it did that, but that was also clean traffic for it to turn around and fill that bitch coming back down.
yeah, bro. This could be a real heavy week. I mean, it's
Oh
going
yeah.
to be a real heavy week.
Yeah, especially with Sunday doing what it's doing right now. Like this
Yes.
is a lot of volume, a lot of big green, a lot of big candles for Sunday. This is not a typical Sunday. And we started right here. So we had a big bullish breakout, then another four, look like two for sure, but potentially three big bearish candles. So that's a lot of volume for a Sunday. And the
Yeah.
only reason I can see that is because people know we don't have a lot of news coming out in this bank holiday in Australia right now for Monday,
Yes. That.
Easter Monday too.
That. And also remember that last week was really dead because of Good Friday, a holiday for the U.S. So you don't think they had orders? You don't think they had orders pending
Come on, come on. You ain't
on
never
this
lying.
on this bearish market right now? Like
So
this is
all this
easy.
consolidation is just them holding off on their market activity because they know it's Good Friday.
Yeah,
And then
and they're
come
gonna let it
Sunday,
follow. They're gonna let it follow.
and if you look at it, bro, this jump up to trade off is a perfect continuation right here. Like, so if you just erase all this consolidation and just cut this and slide it over to right here, it's like a perfect continuation of what
Mm.
it wanted to do on Thursday.
Wow, I
But
wish you can do that on your screen. That was a
man,
nice,
come on.
yeah,
Like it's like perfect. It's like a perfect lineup of what
yeah,
the market would want to do. So if that
yeah.
being said, let me just be a little smart ass. So imagine if I took this green candle right here, this daily green candle right here, cut all this manipulation, dragged it all the way up to this green candle, and then this move down is really this move down touching this.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Yeah,
that's some mathematical shit, but I mean it's like damn near looking like the same fucking damn thing playing out.
yeah.
So I'm just gonna see what happened.
What they say, history, man. History repeats
Repeats
itself.
itself, bro. Every week. And this is some great ass history.
Yeah.
Let me see how many pips that is. A 74 flat.
And we just showing y'all how the market works. Like, and
42.
these are like wide open trades. You know, like
75. So that's 27 pips. And from here, 20, 20.
yeah, bro. We in space to the left on the 1 hour. Like,
I thought you could put stars right here.
yeah.
You don't know where it's going. To the Milky Way? Maybe.
That's why I like the naked charts, bro.
74.22.
You gotta go to the 4 hour for your next zone. So you dropping.
That's why I marked this up. This blue line is based off the 4 hour
Yeah,
for the
bro.
most part. And right here, this lowest point. I could have marked this, but I was like, nah, it's gonna want that lowest point. It always want to test the lowest point.
And that's an easy trade. Like that's the one that I'm in right now. It's just
Oh yeah, you in that hoe. Ride the waves, brother. I just came too late to the show. Ride them waves.
no, it's like yeah.
If I would have got in my entry, I would have wanted to catch probably on the 15-minute looks best. I would wanted to catch right up in there, this little peak high. As it retested up into this little area,
Mm-hmm.
that's why I want to look for sales. Let's let the little manipulation push up and come down. I wanted to get sales up in here. And the fact that these retested up, but didn't break each other's previous highs. So that's lower lows, lower lows.
Yeah.
Like, that's all the signs, and that's what waiting for candlesticks to close and not waiting for your indicator to show you that we're in a bearish market, because lower lows don't happen in the bullish market. It's impossible.
Mm.
It's physically impossible. Like you can't even. That's like trying to bend your arm back to touch the back of your elbow. Like you just can't do this shit. You know, so it's like, yeah, when you go against the grain of law, nigga, what's law? Nigga, yeah, you can't change law, nigga. That's just what the fuck it is.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and I mean, let's see. Let me go back to this 4 hour, bro. Cause
Go back to the
I'm
ball, man.
I'm telling you, like that area, if it closes below there on the 4 hour, you don't think it's gonna do that automatically on the daily? Would there be, no news? Like,
I don't know. I don't know. I'll be hella patient. Hey, if it closed like this on a 4 hour, I'm gonna be so patient waiting for that retest. And if I don't get it, I missed that move, bro. And I'm A-OK with saying I missed
I
a
know
damn 50
I hear
pip
you on
move.
that, but what if that retest happens on the 15 minute and 1 hour? Because it may not do that on the
So you
4 hour.
mean so you mean a 4 hour break below this zone, close below,
It's
and then on
going
the
down.
15-minute it retests back up to this little line maybe, and
Yes.
then come back down?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see that easily.
That's what I'm saying. That's not like
Yeah.
I'm saying if it closes below on that 4 hour, it's gonna give you opportunities, but it won't be on the 4 hour.
Oh hell no! Like to get into a sale?
Yeah.
No, I'm looking at the 5-minute, 1 minute all day, nigga. Stinger time frames.
Because
I'm
it's
looking right here.
going.
That's what I've been looking for.
Okay.
Low key, I think I did. No, I didn't get into a buy, but I sure was looking. Like I had this. I said this green line that was gonna be my entry. I didn't have a market entry, but I was like, once it broke above this, I was gonna get into it right here. I was gonna wait for it to come up here, take profit, and then once it went above here, grab some liquidity. I was gonna take another sell. I was gonna let it come up here and take another sell to come back down. That was my trading plan.
Wait, and that was 70, what, 73.90?
Yes, to tell
So
you.
picture this. That's what my stop loss is.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah,
yeah.
bro, it's
But
crazy.
that's where that's where people know where people put stop loss. That's how every retail trader was taught to put your stop loss above the most recent high,
Uh,
which is a good thing to do. But when you know what the banks can manipulate, and you know that certain stop loss in certain areas won't get tested because you know we in a strong bearish momentum, then it's okay to like move your stop loss to like up here. It's
which is
okay.
why we say secure 10.
Oh yeah, secure 10. We ain't got to worry about moving your stop loss. Nigga, your shit is where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like for real. It feels so good to secure 10.
Yes, bro. Cause that 10, I'm done saying it, bro.
Yeah, man. 10
That
will,
10, that 10 is
10 will
like
change your life.
10 to change your life. So why mess around with it right now?
10 will change your life. I mean, right now, if you would have caught sales at the break of this, we get 7382. We just hit 7. That was 10 right there. So if you would
Yep.
have caught the break of this low, 7382, 737, you would have just hit your 10. Anything prior to that, any better interest there, you already at 10. So
Yep.
that's how easy you can get 10 a day. And this, I'm talking about an hour.
And it's on a Sunday, bro. But
That's
it
what I'm
don't happen all
saying.
the time. But
That's
that's what
what
I'm
I'm
saying. These
saying.
are like free. We analyze, giving analysis on Sundays. But
It's
if you
basically like a precursor to what's about to happen for the next week, I think.
Facts.
Because just like you said, I love the way how you put it on that last Friday was a good Friday. So it was a lot of pending orders from Thursday that people didn't really get filled. And now you seeing them getting filled right now.
Yeah, all banks were closed. It's a bank holiday. That's a bank
Right,
holiday.
right.
So you don't think they could be like, oh yeah, let me go ahead and put about 100 on this one. Put a
Man,
100 on it. Yeah, bro.
man. Nah, and they orders really do be like that, bro. Like a thousand lots, but their lots don't be like our lots, nigga. A lot for them probably be like a 1,000 or 1 million damn positions.
Yep. No,
It's
that's
a
facts.
it's a totally different ball game.
Yeah, because they playing with y'all money.
Real talk. Hold on one second.
Hmm. So we get a close on the 1 hour. If this candle closes right here, then we are good. And I mean, we are good for another 15 pips if it closes.
Okay. Me back. Imagine, I'm
For
gonna just
sure,
give
for
you
sure.
a hand clap for this real good trade you just got in.
Oh, snap.
You just really hit it, dog. I just want to just really sound it off because like that was a real good entry on a Sunday. Come on, man.
We are so live right now.
We go toast. We lit, man. We lit, bro. I just want to just give a real good shout out, dog, because you got
Oh my
down.
gosh, man. We need to
This
cut this off, bro. I need to talk to you personally, bro.
man, it's lit, man. I'm telling
Man,
you.
come on.
And they just added that like 2 weeks ago.
Man, let's go.
You sound like Anthony. Nigga. That's the same thing he said when he saw the intro come on.
Fire. Oh, that was dope. Yeah, we
Yeah,
official. We
no,
official, bro.
we're official with it for real. Going live.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I think we're gonna come to a stopping point here. I think we did what we came to do, bro. You had an amazing trade, called it out, got in at a great time. Not only did you get into a great trade, but you realized what was happening with the holidays and what the holidays prevent
That's the only reason why I felt so
these
confident
bankers
about this.
from doing what they do. So that was dope, bro. That was technical analysis and fundamental analysis at its best. Real talk. On a week that got very little of fundamental analysis going on, you really broke down the fundamentals and the technical. So that was yeah, that was fire.
I appreciate it, bro. You know this is what we do.
No,
So
for real.
that's
But
what we
like I
do.
said, again, apologize for the late start. We usually start at 8, but I had a little prior engagement that took a little longer than expected, but it is what it is.
Yeah, we do have other things that we do, but we just like I said, always just appreciate the patience. But yeah, man, we definitely
Yeah, have patience like Jay had patience taking his sale. Nigga. That's the kind of patience you gotta have.
yes.
Yeah.
And just like with these trades getting better, same thing with the the videos and stuff.
Oh
So
yeah.
yeah, man, this is the beginning stages.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, then I'm gonna get a new phone tomorrow, so I will be back on. My phone was off. I was communicating a lot on Instagram and Telegram from my laptop, so
Okay,
I'll be more
cool.
mobile
All
with it
right,
on the app for
fire.
content and whatnot. You dig?
Nah, that's what's up.
But yeah, man, great Sunday, great volatility. I'm looking forward to the week. We if we break those key levels, then we got bearish action all week. If not, we know exactly where we should be looking to buy at. So
Hmm.
do not get manipulated into those crazy sales if you see the market just drop down. Like keep an eye on that 4 hour low that is
Facts,
testing,
facts.
and you should be good.
Yes, this is an easy one, y'all. Like,
Easy one. Don't
come get
overdo
this
it.
with us.
Come on, man.
But y'all take care.
All right, brother.
All
See you
right,
next
man.
week.
All right, brother. Peace.
Peace.